Number 4, you're going to solve the following system of inequalities graphically on the set of the axis below. You're going to state the coordinate of a point in that solution set, and remember we need to shade, right? So the first one to denote this, I'm going to be drawing it into different colors. So the first one here is going to be red, and that one, we start here at -1, go down 1, across 1. So that looks like that is the intersection. That looks like the line there. Okay, so here we go. So that's the first one. And then the second one, and we got a shade, right? So let's shade it here. So let's plug in 0, 0. Okay, this is the point 0, 0. So let's plug that in here. 0 for the y, 0 for the x, -1. Is 0 greater than -1? This is true, so we shade towards. Okay, so everything on this side is all in red now. Okay, so everything here, here to here, right? So everything on this side is red. How can I denote this in red? Let's see, maybe like that. Okay, that's everything in red. Okay, and then let's graph this one, which is going to be in blue. -4 is right here, and it seems like we go what? Up 2 across 1, up 2 across 1, down 2 across 1. Okay, and then I can connect it right here, and that is the other line. Now we test 0, 0. So is 0 greater than -4? That is also true, so we shade towards. All right, so we're going to shade this way. Okay, so where the red and the blue meets, that makes purple. So the purple would be the solution area. Okay, and a point to that is in there. I think it is 0, 10 would be a potential solution, right? So that purple is the solution area of that inequality. Okay, let's do the next one. The first one's going to be red. We start at 5, down 1 across 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is the first one here. Okay, and we just extend it. And now we shade. Let's test the point 0, 0. Is 0. This is 0 plus 5. It is 0 less than 5. Okay, is 0 less than 5? That is true. Okay, remember this is where 0, 0 is. We are going to be shading towards it right here. All right. So if we're going to shade towards it, because that's true, we're shading this side. Okay, everything here. We're shading everything here because that's everything that is true. Okay, because 0 is less than 5. Okay, let's do the next one. This is -6. We go up 2 across 1, up 2 across 1, down 2 across 1. Okay, that looks like the next one here. All right. And then we need to test 0, 0. 0 is less than 0 minus 6. Is 0 less than -6? This is false. So we're going to shade away. Do you see how this is towards? You want it away. So this is away. Okay, these are everything that is away from 0, 0. So this purple area here is where the red and the blue intersects. Okay, everything here. All right, everything here. So this is considered to be the solution set. Right, a number that's here looks like 5, negative 10 looks like it's a point that is within that solution set. Okay, next one here. This is the first one. Y is less than 3 over 2x minus 6. Here's negative 6. Right, we're going to do this. Go up 3, 1, 2, 3, across 2, 1, 2, 3, across 2, down 3, 1, 2, 3, across 2. Okay, so this is the first line. Right. Okay, and let's test 0, 0. Is 0 less than 0 minus 6? Is 0 less than negative 6? This is false, so we're going to shade away from 0, 0. And this is where 0, 0 is, okay? Let's see, we shade away. This would be away from it. Do you see how it's not on that same side? It's away from it, okay? Next one, 4, down 1 across 1. Okay. Right, and so the line would look something like this. And now we need to test the point 0, 0. So is 0 less than 0 plus 4? Is 0 less than plus 4? This is true, so we're going to shade towards it. All right, so this is everything that is towards 0, 0. Do you see how it's on that same side of 0, 0? All right, so this region is where red and blue matches up, and that is going to be considered to be our solution set. Everything in this region is considered to be the solution set. And it looks like the point, what? 3, 4, 4 comma negative, what? 4 comma negative 8. Looks like it's somewhere in there. So that's within the solution set. All right, so there you go. That is how you graph the inequality and figure out the solution set.